Welcome back to Keep the Fees. In today's video, Sara will show you how to manage artist payouts and generate payment reports. Whether you're filtering by artist, payment type, or running reports for specific date ranges, this tutorial will help you streamline your payout process. Let's dive in.
Artist payouts. You can filter by artist, or you can run a report for a specific date range. I'll just pull up from the 1st to the 10th just to give you a bit of data to look at. And what this will do is it will break down every single person that should be paid commission and or checked someone out. And if they need to be paid commission, will be listed on this report. You can also click send to artist, and this will email to the artist the breakdown of all of these transactions so that they know exactly how much they're being paid. And it does break it down by price, then by commission, add in any credit card tips, and then total it out. You can also sort these by payment type. So let's say you want to pay your artist cash on a daily basis and are just interested in finding the payments for card, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, gift card, or other. You can absolutely sort this down to find that data. If you click Export CSV, this will pull the reports and give you access to add these into any accounting systems that you may use, like a QuickBooks.
Let's dive in. Thanks for watching. Ready to simplify your checkout process? Visit our website in the description to sign up or book a demo today. We're here to help you streamline your shop's operations.